So, ladies and gentlemen, I just bought Iman Gadzhi's brand new course. It's called educate.io, and in this video, I'm going to be covering everything you need to know. The course is a 3-part program in which Iman gives you 3 different ways to potentially make money online in this new economy. For $995, you'll gain access to the educate.io platform for 6 months. And if you aren't satisfied after the first 2 weeks, they offer a 14-day money-back guarantee. Iman has been doing a ton of advertisement for this course, and I'm sure you guys are eager to see what's inside. So, would I recommend the Educate course? Before we get into this video, I want to quickly ask you guys to go down below and like this video. I spent $1,000 on this course just so I could make this video, so I would highly appreciate it if you could leave a like. Without further ado, here's the course. As you guys can see, the educate.io platform is really clean and has a modern design. It's exactly what you would expect from a course by Iman Gadzhi. They even offer a mobile app so you can use the platform from your mobile phone, and you can start educating yourself even if you don't have access to a computer. The first course on the platform is called 6-Figure Sales Rep. This program essentially gives you all the necessary sales training to become a high-ticket closer and start making $100,000 per year online. The 6-Figure Sales Rep program covers exactly what you need to learn the sales process, how to handle objections, how to build your own sales funnel, and how to master the skill of high-ticket sales. You guys have probably seen this massive wave of remote closing opportunities, which shows that this is definitely a massive opportunity in the online economy. A lot of wealthy people such as Iman or Russell Brunson are looking for high-ticket closers for their business. What you do is hop on sales calls, talk to a potential customer, and if you can sell them on the course that was created by Iman or Russell, you will earn a massive commission. These are also really high-ticket products, so you only need to sell a few courses per month in order to start making big bucks. The next course on the Educate platform is called Pen to Profit. The goal of this course is to teach you everything you need to know about how to start copywriting and how to beat AI in the copywriting race. As you guys may know, ChatGPT is pretty good at copywriting, but Shopify actually just released a new AI tool that helps users write copy for their products. If you want to become a copywriter in 2023, it's really important that you have the ability to outperform the AI with your copy. There's 7 modules in the Pen to Profit course, and they teach you how to write VSA, how to write Facebook and YouTube ads, how to build landing pages, and how to master the art of grabbing someone's attention and getting them to take action. This is the route that I'm personally going to be taking because I think it will really help me with my dropshipping business. If you're looking to start your business on Shopify, go down below. I have a link for $1. And if you use my link, you also get access to my Discord server. On to the next module. The final course on the Educate platform is Iman Gadzhi's Agency Navigator. In case you aren't familiar, Agency Navigator has 6 different courses within it. Each one really shows you a lot about how to scale and manage your SMMA. The modules include foundations, mindset, systems and processes, client outreach, sales, and service delivery. It goes over things like how exactly to do outreach and how to talk to the customer on the sales call to ensure that you close the sale and land the client. Iman also goes over his strategies how to run Facebook ads profitably so that you can actually deliver on your promise within your agency. Additionally, within the Educate program, there are a couple more courses, but they're currently locked. I suspect that Iman will be releasing these within the next coming months, and he'll also be doing more promotions as soon as those come out. So, would I recommend the Educate course? Sure. If you don't like it, you can always charge back within the first 14 days. If you really want to buy it, just pay the $1,000, binge watch all the videos, and then charge back on the 13th day. That way, you'll get access to all the information without ever having to pay for it. The disadvantage of this, though, is that you won't get access to the Discord community, which is included for free with the Educate course. That's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.